this recent rule about non-Muslim houses of worship cannot be taller than any nearby mosques. This is something new, and ajaran syaitan mana ni? Why is it wrong if other houses of worship is taller? Masjid must always be taller. Taller means what? Nearer to Allah, is it? Kat masjid kita pergi untuk berbangga ke? Untuk riak ke? Or is it a place where we learn humility, we learn respect, we learn tolerance, we learn to be revered by others, especially of other religion? Now we come up with this rule, orang lain tak boleh lagi tinggi. Now if they have the money to do it, if they want that design, so what if the church is taller than the masjid? So what if the quilt is taller than the masjid? So what? So does that reduce the sanctity of the masjid? Does that kurangkan pahala kah kalau sembahyang dalam situ atau doa situ? How? Since when the altitude or the height of the building becomes a measure of our piety to Allah? Since when a higher building is a disrespect to another religion? What kind of stupidity is this? And this is under the Madani government. You come up with this rule, you think people will like Islam more? Tak, sudah. I thought when Barisan jatuh, Madani take over, I thought that, Islam punya nama boleh diharumkan semula. People can start seeing Islam in a different light. But no, the foremost ambassadors of Islam desecrate Islam further. Madani ni, I don't know lah whether it's Anwar Ibrahim kata, I tak mau kata apa, tak mau fitnah orang pula kan. Tapi what I'm saying is that, apa ni? Memalukan lah weh. You want to make your mosque tall, you make your mosque tall lah. It's already embarrassing and membazir when you build a mosque so big, tiang lebih daripada orang yang sembahyang dalam tu. You spend opulently, bazir duit, when what is required is just enough space. Air condition pun tak apa lah kalau nak buat air condition, bersih untuk you beribadat. You reflect, so that you reflect and you worship. That's an act of worship. Humility. Tapi sekarang ni, you want to even flex your muscle, supremacy. Pasal Islam ni agama rasmi kat Malaysia, semua agama-agama lain kena make sure dia lagi rendah. What next? Lepas ni, dia kena lagi buruk, is it? Dia punya cat tak boleh lagi baru daripada masjid punya cat. Is that what is it? It is? Dia punya kapak tak boleh lebih daripada kapak kat masjid-masjid. Is that what it is? Kalau dia ada wifi kat masjid ke, atau wifi kat church ke, ataupun kat kuil ke, dia punya wifi tak boleh cukup laju, tak boleh laju lagi lepas tu. Kalau 1 gigabyte kat masjid, tempat lain tak boleh. Kena at most 100 megabyte ke 200 megabyte. Is it? Tindas orang-orang yang bukan Muslim. Tindas, and then heran kenapa orang benci Islam. Yang laknat, yang khianat kepada Islam is orang Islam sendiri. Orang Islam sendirilah yang memfitnah agama Allah. And to me, I believe tempat kat neraka tu is kebanyakan orang Islam. Because these are munafiks. Enough said.